This tutorial will help you to install Reshade Roblox shaders on PC. Reshade proves itself to be one of the best Roblox shaders. Let's download the software from the official websites, reshade.me. By default, software will be downloaded into the Downloads folder. We will see it on next step. Roblox shaders allow the user to add more adjustable visual effects that are not available in stock Roblox. Its effect can be controlled by the given UI. The shaders does nothing, just make your game aesthetically and look nice. Let's unzip the Reshade software in the same download folder or somewhere else as your wish. For this, any software utility can be used like winrar, winzip, but I am using the 7-zip. Now in next step, we need to check the location of our Roblox player. All the Roblox player are installed under the user's directory. Like in my case, Roblox is installed at c:\users\Panda Tech /AppData /local /Roblox. In your system, instead of Panda Tech, it can be your name or PC name. Watch carefully to reach the correct Roblox installation directory. In my machine, version name of Roblox is this version C61F559E705046V8. In your machine it could be different. Don't worry, just select the available version directory in your machine. Check in this version directory, you must have Roblox player beta file. Let's double click on Reshade folder setup files and it will ask for the Roblox directory where our Roblox player is available. Now, we will press the Browse button and select the Roblox player beta file. I am sure now you must understand why I was saying for the Roblox player installation directory. Here we need to select the Roblox player beta file and then Reshade installation magic will be started. We will double-click on OpenGL options. These are types of rendering API used by the game users. We do not have to worry about. Installation will ask the selection of various options related to the Reshader's files. But we will just press the next button again and again instead of focusing on various type of file installation. In the background, you will also see Reshaders will also download the required files. Just select all checkboxes and press OK button until we don't see the last window. Congratulations, okay, now we are able to install the Reshade successfully. In next steps we will do verification of Reshaders and also apply on Roblox games. Let's open any game in Roblox and press the home button on keyboard, then you will be able to see a Reshade pop-up windows in the left top corner. First time, we need to just press the continue button until we are not getting the finish button. Press home button of keyboard to see the Reshade GUI, select the any Reshade preset checkbox and again press the home button to close the Reshade GUI. Roblox shader modes are one of the best ways to make your game sharper and look better. The game feels great but your PC is consumed more for this to make it possible, so if you are ready to utilize more of your PC to enhance your gaming experience, then you'll love Roblox shaders. Roblox shaders is allowed and works totally fine. We've been using it for quite some time and the performance improvements are great. We can see our favorite YouTubers as well using shaders even while they are streaming without getting banned, blocked from Roblox. There are not many shader options you can choose from, but Reshade outperforms all other options. It's one of the oldest Roblox shaders available. It's open source. Reshade will work both on Direct3D or OpenGL and pick the right model plus language for you. It uses every advanced technique to enhance your Roblox graphics. Reshade is not a virus. It's an injector that just enhances the existing code. It's not a virus, and Reshade is totally safe to use as well. Unfortunately, there is no such shader available for mobile devices such as Android and iOS. These mods are only compatible with PCs or laptops. Even if you find such a mod from other platforms, it is possible that your device contains a virus that is too harmful. It can also steal information or leak it illegally. So you need to be aware of all the mods available online. If you look, I have applied various reshaders preset, and in the background graphics quality of games get changed or reflected with better quality. Telling which one preset will be a good for users, that's difficult. It can be find out on the basis of experience, like after applying the specific reshaders to know how your Roblox games is performing. But basic rules is to press the home button of keyboard to see Reshader's UI and then select the specific preset which can get reflected on your games. After that, press the home button of keyboard again to hide the Reshader's UI. In some of Windows machine, user's home button does not work, but in this case following keyboard key can be applied to see the effects on your game for selection and deselection of Reshader's preset. Install Reshaders one time and it will be applied on the all games. Now objective of Reshaders installation for Roblox is achieved. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe and keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you very much for your support.